This is a reintroduction to Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, the process of what order you do things. This was chosen by mathematicians so that everyone got the same answer when they saw an expression. 36 divided by 3 plus 9. They've decided, if you look up here, the first thing as you move across here that we see is a multiply divide. So we have a divide here, so that's 12. And we do add and subtract last, so it'd be 12 and 9 is 21. Down here we've added another operation. We have powers or exponents. So now we're going to have to do exponents, then multiply, divide, add, subtract. So we have 4 squared, that's 16. So now the problem is 3 times 16 minus 5. Again, we do multiply, divide next. That's 48, that multiplication, minus 5. Final answer, 43. Another one, there's no parentheses yet with the p, so we're going to look at exponents. So we do have an exponent, so 3 squared is 9, 3 times 3. Then we do the addition. There's no multiplication and division, so we're going to go over here to the addition and subtraction, and we get 11. Now this one here gets the most complicated, because now we have a parenthesis, and we go inside the parenthesis and do all of that arithmetic using the rules. The first rule we're going to use is powers. 2 squared is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the entire parenthesis is 4. Now we have this expression, 6 squared plus 2 times 4. No more parentheses. That parenthesis is just representing a multiplication problem to be done. So we do powers, 36. 2 times 4 is 8. 36 and 8, 44. So these are just all review the orders of operation. Now, let's suppose we want to build an expression. So let's start with x. We'd like to build the expression over here, 3x squared minus 5. To build that, we would take and do the squaring first. Then we would do the multiplication. We do exponents, then multiplication, and finally the subtraction. So that's how you would build this expression. Start with the x, square it 3 times, and then subtract the 5. That being said, if you wanted to take an expression that's already been created, 4x minus 5, and you'd like to strip away everything but the x, we're going to do the process in reverse. So the first thing we're going to do is add and subtract. So we're going to add 5 to isolate the 4x. So we add 5 to both sides. Then we're going to move over here and do the multiplying and dividing next. So that would have been the next step in this process. So we're going to divide by 4. 4x divided by 4 gives me x. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we now think that the answer is 6. We can check. Take the 6. Take it and put it right back up where the x is. 4 times 6 minus 5. 4 times 6, 24, minus 5 is 19. That's good. That's the answer I wanted to get. We're looking for the x that would make the statement true. That's the whole statement. And we undo the expression on the left in kind of a reverse order. The add, subtract, then the multiply and divide. If we had exponents involved, we'd probably do that thing last, and that will come around in a later problem.